baby.
Ivory's like, so what's going on over here?
Here, Mama Duck.
What's going on over here?
Hi, Ivory. Good morning. Mama Duck.
Are they throwing any fish out?
Mama Duck.
Oh my god, she's so
Here,
funny.
Nina.
Huh, so what's going on? I don't see what they have.
Here, guys. Here. Hi, Blue. What you doing, buddy? It's nice out. It's feeding time. Most of them are all done. They're all over there cleaning themselves. We got turtles. They want food too. This is some of the babies that are all grown up. Right, babies? Quack, quack, quack. This one here, she's really pretty. Really light. Oh, Eva. Say hi, Bev. Bev. Alright, see you guys.
This motherfucker came flying up on us. He's got fish in his mouth. Oh my god. Cat fucking moved.
You better not try to come through here.
No, he's right there.
Because he wants under this rock.
Ugh.